Good morning, guys, and welcome back. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm on to a short ride here to Land's End. Left everything in my hotel room because it's really just like short hop. As you can see, 2.9 kilometers at 4 minutes. So I want to head there before it gets overrun. Therefore, I opt to go early in the morning. I talked to the cook yesterday, and he told me if I go really early in the morning, it's the best time to go there. And there is also a track you can take to walk over. It's a 20-minute hike basically over the hill. But I'm not up for that. This is 20 minutes there, 20 minutes back, and let's say 20 minutes there. So it's already an hour gone, and I don't have the time, you know. Land's End. Welcome, welcome. There's nobody there anyway. Alright. Where the heck can we even park here, eh? Let's go first row. Because I will be gone anyway before anybody wakes up. So just put down the bike and go for a short walk here. Land's End. There are so many rabbits running around. Absolutely amazing. Hope you catch some on the footage. If not, rewind it and watch it back. Right, now let's get back to the accommodation. So the plan for today is basically riding north from here along the west coast, and I have basically 4 days to be at a specific spot or location to then go into the ABR festival on Friday. But I don't know if this will work out or not. That's why I don't want to spoil anything. But we will see how that goes. for now, let's go back to the accommodation, get set for the day, and then we will head off and check our roads ahead with you guys. Alright, off we go. So over to my left there's a little bit of a bunker, but there's nowhere to park. I wanted to check out this morning when I came back, but I totally forgot, so well, that's one for the books, I guess. So many camping spots around. There's the airport. Looks like a busy day out here. Holy moly. Yep, a lot of cars for this small airport here. Ooh, the strips are so tempting. We'll just try and go flat out on a motorcycle. Into the town. Fortunately it's completely blocked off for cars and bikes, so I was not able to go down there, but I think we have a quite good view from here as well, eh? Church in the center, even two churches here it seems. I'm quite sure they even have more than just two. Right. Let's continue, this way. And just like that, we're on the first gravel road of the day. So there was just a post office thingy vehicle, Royal Mail it's called here, passed here as well, so I'm quite sure that one is accessible, but the question is how far. Until we have to turn or whatever. So my sat-nav just got stuck again. Gosh dang it. What is it always with this stuff, eh? Alright, this guy is coming this way. We should be able to go as well. Oh, there's a doggo running around. I have no freaking idea we're still on the right path or not, but hey, as long as it's free to go, I think we are fine, right? Or maybe not so much, I don't know where this one will lead to. Private road now, or is it not? Doesn't seem to be, right? This one is our path. Holy moly. That reminds me of Australia. The first trail I did in Tasmania. Phew! Crazy. Alright, let's get into second gear, give it some speed. Yeah. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's a cool track, eh? Hello, cows. Why? There needs to be always mud and some slippy sections and some slippery sections as well. Phew! Nice. Hey, that was a fun one, eh? And now we should be back on the official road here. Interesting. Sorry guys, I'm just a tourist passing by. Alright, let's go. Now we are in some real muddy sections where I have no idea where to go, because it's just like all super slippery. Raw. That quite for sure is a footpath here. Oh, my front wheel is all over the place. Doesn't matter, we got this. I hope, at least. Looking good so far. Phew! Whoa! Right. This way then. I hope we're on the right path. But I didn't see anything else, so should be the right one. Alrighty, So I just stopped at a fuel station, checked on the routing, and now heading to New Quay, something like that. Just to make some progress, so basically skipping the part of the TED here. And then I will see from there, because it's basically going from New Quay to Exeter. This is where the TED will lead us, but now we would be like all over the place. And it's already noon, so still 40 minutes to go. That's why I thought let's go directly there, grab a bite to eat, and then continue. So if possible I want to pass Exeter before I'm looking for accommodation. Let's see how this goes. Just like that we made it to New Quay. Stuck in traffic for the last, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. And now we are finally arrived. Didn't expect to be that much traffic actually. But hey, who cares? Town center, yes, yes. Hope they have some open restaurants there and a parking lot close by. If not even directly there. There are people swimming. I think at least there are people. Oh yeah, there are. With some fins. Alright, but no restaurant here. So let's take a turn. These bugs are killing me. As soon as you open the visor, you already have something in your eyes. This is so annoying. Alright, picked up some food. Now heading up to the parking lot we just came by, or I did. You didn't even see it. Now I have my lunch, and then we are continue our journey. While I was waiting for my lunch, for my food, I checked on the further route, and I think we will go along the coast from here for the next like 2 hours or 3, and then we should have made quite good progress. But first let's find a spot somewhere. Holy moly, why is that all so steep? Let's park here anyway. I do not care. Alright, leave this thing in gear, and then we should be fine. I think I just sit down on the grass here for a bit, enjoy the not existing view. So I took a short break in this random parking lot here. And I found accommodation, rather cheap one, but it's somewhere in the middle of nowhere and it's still 3 hours away from here, so yeah. Well, I need to make some progress anyway, so that's why I opt for that. So now I have a target in mind, finish line for today, so to say, and now it's time to go there. But we of course taking the long way around, so let's see when we will arrive there. So what I did basically is put in a point of interest for now. Oh, come on. Now we're going to Bude. Yes. So, and then we are heading further along the coast. On some twisty roads again. And it's actually one of the main roads. But it's super nice going. And there's no traffic going my way. They're all going in the opposite direction. So I can enjoy these twisties for myself. I just received an email, so check-in is basically after 5:30, and I still need, I think at least 1.5 hours there, and now it's 4:40 p.m. of course. Yo. A lot of miles more to cover, but I'm already made over 200 k's today, but the riding time was about 5 hours, so it's quite tiring already, but who cares, right? We need to make that, and then I think the next couple of days should be more easy going than this one. That was a monster day today. A lot of small roads and still made quite good progress. Can you guys see that? Woohoo! We are heading up in the hills. Well, it's already almost a mountain. At least it feels like, because we are climbing fast here. But it's like absolutely beautiful. Look at it. Ooh, that's awesome, right? Right. Let's continue. Still almost an hour to go. Ugh. But I think I will stop soon, take another break, and then we are pushing for the last time today. What the heck? Norway? Is it you? Hello? My old friend? Are you welcoming me back again or what? This looks so wild. Not so nice at the same time. Alright guys, I made it into my room. I have to carry the rest of my luggage up in the room. So this is the situation here. And this is the view into the garden. Not so bad, right? So I will stay here for a night and then continue my journey towards Birmingham. Well, it was a freaking long day. That I have to admit. I did over 320 kilometers, and the pure riding time is over 7 hours. So I was on the bike for almost 9 today. So yeah, it was an absolute long day, but I needed to do that to make some progress, because it's still hundreds and hundreds of kilometers towards Birmingham and the ABR festival. So I'm shattered. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I call it a day here, and I see you guys tomorrow on the roads ahead.